right there, you just saw what I did. Okay, I just did 3 out of the 5. I believe I did this one, and then I did the one up here. Because I was kind of listening to the words, okay? And now when you have a concept already in mind, and you can pair it with the musicality and the words or the verbiage that are coming out of the song, or the singer's mouth, or the speaker, like this, the speaker, the singer, you look even more appealing. You look even more musical. You look and you know what you're doing, and you're like, oh wow, like he's actually paying attention. He or she is listening to the song, right? So, and you saw after I did each variation, right? I was able to trail off, right? I think this one I went like this, and then I went here, and then I went like here. Okay. Okay. So I was able to go in a whole different direction and path. What did I do? I did this one, and it's like what did I go with that? I think I just went back into a flow. But if you don't know what to do here, maybe I would have cuffed my hand and like broke it and backed up and then go back into the dance, But that's the thing. Now, this is where, if it hasn't connected the dots yet, this is where the dots will connect, if it hasn't already, in your brain. If, let's say, I only had this variation, right? Remember the number 1? Okay, well, if I did that, right? And I believe I did something like this, and I was kind of tracing and pointing my finger. Okay, great. But what if I did that again? You already noticed that I did that, right? So especially if you're like in a battle or something like that, or you're making just a video at the park, or you're going out with your friends and you're out recording, and it's like, you already did that move, And sure, you could do the same move 100 times and maybe switch up just that one move, of course, or, just maybe I'm pointing over here, 2 hands. Maybe I'm pointing over here. Maybe I'm doing no hands, right? But the point is that I'm trying to make to you, the more variations you give yourself of any said move, or whether it be here, whether it be here, whether it be here, whether it be here, or whether it be here out in front of you, it gives you different avenues to do different moves and segue into a whole different stream of flow. Versus if I'm just doing this, and then I'm like, oh man, what's that one move I always do? And I'm like, oh yeah, I'm doing this. And it's like, oh, okay, I can do this. But it's like, oh, you've already done that, You spread out this is a way to spread out your arsenal of moves, dance, the repertoire of concepts and ideas. But that's the thing that I want you to understand, is this is dance. This is why dance is so beautiful and amazing, because it is absolutely limitless, and it's filled with endless possibilities in which way you want to go, or how you want to create, think about it, imagine it, and manifest. Okay, so I want you to try this in your own time, just like I did. I'll go one more time to the demo, to the song Rhythm is a Dancer, which the irony of that, and I'll do the 2 that I didn't do, which I believe was, one of them was this one, and I think I didn't do the diagonal one, okay? And we'll just see what I do. We'll just see what comes up. We'll see what comes off the dome of my head, right? So, doesn't have to be like 6, 7, 10, doesn't have to be, just create 3 to 5 variations of one move To start out, you know, easy, just create 2 if it's too much for you. You know, if it can be with anything. It can be with your T-steps, you know, it can be with your running man. Let me segue into the running man. We'll do the demo first, and then we'll get into the running man, because it's another good example for you to see, okay?